But like last year they did that. They had a whole bunch go off like one. Oh, here we go. This is nice. That shit should go higher, man. If they could make that go higher, that'd be sick. I'd be like, here we go. Here we go. Come on, where's the infamous ones I'm waiting for? The whistle ones. That's what I hear. The ones that you don't even see. You just hear the whistle.
Yeah.
And then it goes boom and it explodes. Well, I don't get it. How come they don't ban fireworks while all the pollution causes in the air?
Yeah, no. Big time pollution.
Well, when you think about it, but when you think how big the world is for this little area that's doing that, it's almost like nothing. Fuck was that? That's little crap. Better make it run for half an hour at least. The last time it was like blah 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 so fast. I know then it was like go home time. I was like, what the hell? Well, this time they got music and shit.
Yeah.
Last year they didn't have that. But they had a little smaller stage.
Oh, look at that fucking plasma looking thing.
I know. You see that, you know? That was sick.
Woohoo!
Incorporate them together, that's what I don't get. They're doing all the same kind at once. Yeah. Oh, look at that one. Yeah. Come on, they're getting close to the one I'm waiting for. The whistle.
That was fucking
right at this point of the night now, okay, you should come to the whistle ones. Usually, this is it, when it gets all quiet, then you start hearing them. Come on, come with the whistle one. Prop, prop, prop. Put up, put up, put up.
Perfect time for aliens to come through.
We thought you were trying to attack us, and you only had short-range missiles. That couldn't even leave your atmosphere. We thought we'd just come here and ask you guys, what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah.
I know, what if aliens misunderstood the fireworks as like humans constantly trying to test how far they can fire missiles? Like, man, they're getting closer, they're getting higher and higher, we better do something now before they figure it out how to make them go farther. Oh, want to hear a psychotic thought I came up with the other day when I was high? But it makes sense when I kept thinking about it. There's actually 3 elements that really exist. Okay? Well, I don't know if you call them elements even. There's space, there's time, and there's light. I remember that.
Life is light.
When you're done, I want to tell you when we're done, I'll tell you about it.
Yeah, but life is light too, man.
Yes, okay, but that's why I said there's 3 basic elements.
Yeah.
Space, time, and light.
Yes.
Because when I figured, I'll tell you, I said, oh, that was a big cannon. Boom!
Look at that one.
What the hell?
Yeah, see that one?
I'm feeling the ones in my chest when they go out. The one that one. That shit's like a snap.
Something's coming up here, man.
Here comes another one. Yeah, see? They keep doing the other 2, watch. Yeah. Bang, bang, right there. Now they do a boom. Now they the big guy.
What?
Alright. See? That would have been a design. You see that just now? Yeah, I don't know if you saw it. You caught it on your thing though, but that was, see, that was synchronized. These are off. Those are off. That was off. Well, yeah, the Asian though, when they do it in China, they have that synchronized shit, buddy.
This is interesting though, right?
I recorded last year though. And then the year before I recorded too, actually. They keep getting better though every year. Right now, as you can't see right now, we look across, Burlington's doing theirs too, huh?
Yeah. Why do you call me
Prop.
call me at that moment when the fucking big things is happening?
Where are they anyway?
Probably Stony Creek.
Yeah, he always does that shit. I used to make rockets and back around the table, yeah. Secret match,
Look at that one.
Oh, I like the ones that make the whistling though. And they go boom. These are all that does have military shit there. I wonder if they'll ever get cartoons where they make like a flag or they make something out of it when it's
Yeah, like a picture, yeah. Like an image.
I doubt they'll ever get to that. I think it's kind of hard from the thing, but
To govern the light.
yeah, see how it's gonna explode and make that.
Yeah.
They're good enough when soon they do these ones. Watch when you see two of them go off at the same time.
Yeah.
They're pretty close with the synchronization on that. Look at that. See, that was one.
That was
off. See, that was off. One on the left, one off fast. Close. You want some of this?
Yeah.
We'll down and watch the rest of my show.
Cliff?
Hey, the last time these niggas dragged me out to the front. You're firing off over there? Get down there where they're firing off. You can zoom in on your phone? You just do it?
Well, I probably press stop.
Hey, wait, no.
Double ice.
This better be better than last year, though.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Fireworks, July 1st.
Right here, man.
Fireworks, July 1st, you know what I'm saying? 2019, a lot of things went on this year. A couple years, but yo, hip hop, things are going still.